wisdom, loved by all children, known for blessing the homes that we live in. The Lord of all creatures with divine features, inspiring the minds of all true seekers. To the son of Shiva and Parvati, with an elephant's head and a fat belly, with a snake for a belt to hold up his pants. He rides on a mouse and he loves to dance, with the lotus unfolding inside one of his hands, and an axe to attack all ignorance, a broom to remove all hindrance, and a noose to reduce all selfishness. He writes the pages while the sages chant, dropping ancient Vedic science so we can comprehend all the many ways that we can transcend. Singing J to Ganesh, he's a yogi's best friend. So if you think Ganesh is super fresh, when I say J, you say Ganesh. J, 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 yes. I pray to Ganesh to take away the stress and pave the way into the place that's best, centered in the chest where the breath is felt. When you're blessed by Ganesh, then the stress can melt. He destroys the knots, they confine your thoughts. He dissolves all walls and breaks the blocks. He unlocks the door to the sacred core, and he guards the gate at the pelvic floor. The benevolent elephant who's so intelligent, at the base of the spine, he's the earth element. He's the ruler of the Muladhara chakra. His brother rides a peacock and his name is Skanda. He's the son of Uma and Mahadeva. I offer this puja to my homie Ganesha, to the son of Parvati and Mahesh, dedicated to Ganesh cause he's so fresh, so fresh. When I say J, you say Ganesh. Come on, J, 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 J. Say Ganesh is fresh. Ganesh is fresh. Say Ganesh is fresh. Come on, Ganesh is fresh.
Jai Ganesha, 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 Jai 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 Ganesha, Jai 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 Ganesha, Jai 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 Ganesha, Jai Ganesha.
Join yourself.